What does the future hold for cryptocurrencies? This question stirs the curiosity of many, from crypto enthusiasts to financial experts. It's undeniable that the world has seen an increasing interest in cryptocurrencies in recent years. This digital currency has become a new frontier in the financial world, and its potential for growth and change is staggering. However, as with any frontier, there is also a significant amount of risk. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, with prices soaring one moment and plummeting the next. This volatility can lead to significant gains for some, but it can also lead to substantial losses for others. It's a high-stakes game of risk and reward, and the future is anything but certain. But that's what makes it so exciting, isn't it? The potential for change, for innovation, for a new way of thinking about money and finance. In this video, we will explore some expert opinions and predictions about the future of cryptocurrency prices. First, we dive into the ocean of expert opinions on the future of cryptocurrency prices. Let's set sail with the bullish believers, the optimists who predict a golden future for cryptocurrencies. They believe that crypto prices will continue to rise, driven by factors such as increased mainstream adoption, technological advancements, and more favorable regulatory environments worldwide. These experts point to the rise of blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies, and its potential to revolutionize industries from finance to logistics as a strong indicator of a bright future for digital currencies. They argue that as more businesses and individuals start to use cryptocurrencies, their value will naturally increase. They also believe that as regulations become clearer and more favorable, more institutional investors will enter the crypto space, further driving up prices. On the other side of the coin, we have the bearish pundits, those who predict a less rosy future for cryptocurrencies. They caution that despite the recent hype, cryptocurrencies are still highly volatile and risky. They believe that regulatory risks, technological hurdles, and market sentiment could potentially lead to a significant drop in crypto prices. These experts warn that tighter regulations could stifle innovation and limit the use of cryptocurrencies. They also point to the potential for technological problems, such as security breaches or network failures, to undermine confidence in cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, they argue that market sentiment, which can be influenced by a range of factors from economic trends to geopolitical events, is a major driver of crypto prices and can be unpredictable. In between these two camps, there are those who believe that the future of cryptocurrency prices will be a mixed bag. They suggest that while some coins may see significant growth, others may not fare as well. They argue that the success of a cryptocurrency will depend on a variety of factors, including its underlying technology, its use case, and the strength of its community. As we can see, experts hold a diverse range of views on the future of cryptocurrency prices, reflecting the unpredictable nature of this market. Now that we've heard from the experts, let's distill the main points from their predictions. In essence, our panel of experts has presented a diverse range of views on the future of cryptocurrency prices. Some anticipate a bullish trend, driven by increasing adoption and technological advancements, while others foresee potential dips due to regulatory uncertainties or market volatility. However, certain common themes emerged across these predictions. Most experts agree that factors such as technological progress, regulatory developments, and market adoption will significantly influence future cryptocurrency prices. The integration of blockchain technology into various sectors, the stance of governments towards cryptocurrencies, and the growing acceptance of digital currencies as a form of payment were highlighted as pivotal points to watch. Despite the differences in their outlooks, one thing all experts concur on is the inherent volatility and risk in the crypto market. While there's no crystal ball to predict the future of cryptocurrency prices, keeping an eye on these key factors could help you navigate this volatile market. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies comes with risks, so always do your research and consider your financial situation before making a decision.